Hi, today's question is what is the role of an executor in estate planning? So today you will learn what an executor does, who you should name as your executor, and what qualifications they may need. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been practicing estate planning now for 29 years in my family's firm, Pecori Pecori. So first, what is an executor? This is the person who is named in your will and in charge of managing your estate when you die. What is their job? Their job is to gather all of your probate assets, gather all the debts and expenses you may have. They hire counsel to work through the probate process. Basically, they make sure that the inheritance taxes are paid, and at the end, when everything's done, they make distribution of your assets according to your direction in your will. First, they have to be sworn in at the Register of Wills office in your county. This makes their appointment official and gives them the authority they need to manage the estate. Their specific job duties vary according to the type of assets held by the estate. If you just have cash and securities, for instance, that's an easier job versus if there's real estate, which can create more work for an executor. This is not a full-time job, but it can be somewhat time-consuming. The probate process in Pennsylvania takes at least a year usually. Who should you name as an executor? And key is someone you trust. They don't have to be a CPA or a lawyer, but it can be helpful if they've done the job in the past. Typically, an executor is a family member or a trusted relative or friend. An estate planning lawyer can help you determine who may be best for you. You can name two executors or co-executors, but I generally don't recommend that. I generally recommend picking one. There's too much potential for conflict when you have two people. Who should you not name? So someone untrustworthy, obviously. Somebody who maybe is poor with money management, somebody who has a drug and alcohol problem is not a good person for this role. Sometimes the key characteristic for an executor is someone willing to do the job. So I always suggest you talk to whoever you may wish to name in advance to make sure that they're willing to take on that role. If you have additional questions today, please post them below. For more information about estate planning, please visit my website at pecorielderlaw.com. Pecori Pecori is dedicated to helping you plan for your legacy and protect your assets for the future. Thank you for tuning in today. Have a great day.